Coinbase to Gemini. I'm going to show you how you can move some assets, and we're going to use Bitcoin as an example of moving your Bitcoin or any asset that Gemini or Coinbase actually holds. I'm going to show you how you can transfer those assets to one exchange to another. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. You know what time it is. Let's do it. Now, right now, I'm at the Coinbase website right now. Click on the link below if you do not have access to the Coinbase and start a free account right now. And also, I'm also going to do Coinbase, and I'm also have Gemini, so you can click on the links to start free accounts on both of those platforms that I'm actually working with right now. Now, I'm at Bitcoin right now, and the thing is, I'm going to send my Bitcoin from Coinbase to Gemini. This is what Gemini looks like. I'm actually at the transfer area, so I'm going to show you exactly how I get this information right now. So here's I'm going to go right here. So I'm going to go to send and receive. I'm going to look for Bitcoin, and what I'm going to do, I need to get my address from Gemini. Now, how you do this, and I've done some research on this, and let me start over. When you first get onto Gemini, you're on this page, normally at the market page. You want to go right to transfer, and you want to go to withdraw. When you go to withdraw, you want to find the asset that you're trying to actually get the address from. So you want to go here, BTC right there. Then what happens is it withdraw? Oh, it's deposit. Excuse me, it's deposit. It's deposit. Okay, it's deposit. So then what you want to go ahead and do is there's the deposit. I'm thinking withdrawing from Gemini. So excuse me. So deposit. You want to go to deposit, and then you want to. This is the address right here. I want to select. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste this. Because remember, this is Bitcoin. I selected Bitcoin. This is how much Bitcoin that I currently have. And I'm going to paste this right here. This is going back to Coinbase. Then how much Bitcoin I'm going to send over? Well, I'm going to send everything over. I'm going to send everything that's over there. Optional, I'll say Gemini Transfer. And let's continue. And right now it says you are sending this. Remember, this is going to Coinbase to Gemini. I'm moving. This is the Coinbase information, and it's going, no, this is the Gemini information. This is the Gemini information, and it's going to go sent over there. Here's the two-step verification code. It's being sent to me right now. You'll get this once you set up your account in both Gemini and Coinbase. You're going to have some verification codes that you need to follow as well. Keep everything secure and ready to go. So now I've got my code, and 6. And remember, this code actually expires, so it's definitely, this code will already expire right after I use it. So it's already expired, so it keeps it safe, keeps it secure. Now, Coinbase to Gemini, absolutely. So then, let me check Gemini. Let me check my Gemini account. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go to Bitcoin here, my portfolio, just back on Gemini. I just want to see if it's there yet. I don't know if it's there yet because I just moved it over. So it's probably not there yet, but it's probably on its way. And so let me go back to Coinbase. It says done. It said transaction usually takes about 30 minutes. So that's what's going on right now. So basically it takes 30 minutes to do. And if I go to my wallet, it says, check it out, sending 30 minutes. So it's going to take a little while. I just want to show you how to do this really quick and really easy. You can send your Coinbase information, your assets, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Uniswap, or even your Dogecoin over from Coinbase. Well, actually, not Dogecoin yet, because Coinbase will get Dogecoin. But once it does, you can move it over to Gemini. You can move that over from Coinbase to Gemini. You can do that. It's not in my Gemini right now because it did say 30 minutes. It did say approximately 30 minutes. So that's the steps. I'll check back here later on. It says pending, but it's going to happen. If you have any questions, click on the link below and just email me Don't forget to get an account for Coinbase and Gemini. That's how it's going to work if you just have an account already. I advise you to take advantage of the Gemini and the Coinbase, wallet and information, because that's some really good assets there. If I go to here and look at all the ones that Coinbase actually has, they have a lot more than this. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano is just been in there. Internet Computers is new. Uniswap, Litecoin. And then if I go to the Gemini, I'm just showing you what the platform has, just in case you're brand new, you don't really know. It has Bitcoin, Ethereum. It has Dogecoin on Gemini. Coinbase will get that in the next couple of months, within that time. But it also has Uniswap, Litecoin, Chainlink. It's very similar to what Coinbase has. A lot of them, really. Aave's on there, so very similar. So if you can find things that matches, you can switch from Coinbase to Gemini and keep trading it transfer it very, very simple and very, very easy. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. I can't wait to do another video to help grow your bank account, or just tips and tricks of how you can do it very safely and very easy, and also growing your brand as well. If you got information about that. But on this video, if you don't have a Gemini account, or if you don't have a Coinbase account, I advise you to click on the link below in the description box, get started, and I'll see you on the next video.